All right, gamers and coders alike. Let's see. Desktop audio is on. Oh no, we don't need that. Just my audio is fine. Yeti. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. I meant to add some shortcut commands. This is really annoying, and I didn't. Stop. There it is. How do you add one again? Wait, how do you add one? Like, what the hell? Here, it's gotta be here, right? Okay. Let me see. Let me pull this over. Go ahead and start getting set up here. VS Code, add custom shortcut. Not a way just to add quickly. Oh, you have to just, okay. You can't just custom add them. That's weird. Okay. Oh, it is Control K. They're just not working or something? Weird that doesn't work. Why aren't my shortcuts working? Is there something I haven't turned on? Create new terminal, that works. It's so weird. Hey, why doesn't it let me, it doesn't, that's so weird. So, that's so weird. That's, what the flippin' flip? I don't know why. It's actually kind of crazy to me that my shortcuts aren't working for some reason. Like, some of them work, right? but not being able to hop into the terminal quickly is kind of crazy. Control K just doesn't work. It's the weird part. I'm just gonna give up on this in a second. Is it Power Toys messing me up? It's got to be Power Toys, right? Specifically, my K key isn't working. Really weird. I wonder why that is. Like, that works. Like, a lot of the commands are working, just some of them aren't working. Oh, that's the find. Oh, it's just the wrong command? Control down arrow. So I'm not in it. Almost worked. Well, something was working for a second. Create new terminal. Let's see. I'm gonna go terminal hover. Why doesn't Control K work? Alright, I don't know why my shortcuts aren't working right now. I'll have to debug that later. Alright, here's what it is. Let us go ahead and set this up. There's a little bit of tweaking I want to do. Dimitri, yeah, I'm a nerd, bro. I'm not hiding it. I'm trying to get this set up so if anybody out there wants their own custom squib tree like this, you can send me a file, or maybe I can even simplify it where like you can do it on your own. But yeah, you know, essentially send me a file and I'll, you know, set one up. I think it'd be fun. And I won't steal your data. Let's sell it back. That's for sure. It's literally just a clone of Linktree, right? But Linktree, they take your data and they take those analytics and they sell it. And that's how they make money. I won't do that. I'll game at some point. I'm gonna be real, man. I am a programmer at heart. Like, this was what I used to do on my... So when I used to stream, I would do it for friends and like different study groups and stuff like that. And this is kind of how I got into streaming. Gaming came after this. So this is like, I want to be a programmer some way. I love doing it. But I will game at some point tonight. I do want to get that quest done. It's some rare quest for labs. Or not labs, for that, whatever the fucking flash drive is I need. I should probably just go play Streets for that, honestly. But I need to grow my actual coding community. Okay, so you see when we zoom in here, it goes outside of the box. So that's one issue there. So, like when you look, if we change it to a phone, it's fine sideways, but then we're leaving the card. So we got to get that responsiveness. And then this might be a little too far. I might need to pad this over a little bit. Because if we go full screen, you can see it kind of on full screen, on bigger screens, it's going a little too far over. It's kind of hitting this. It's hitting our actual scroll bar. So we'll move that over. I could even get rid of the scroll bar if I wanted, but I'll just move that over a little. Oh, I don't know what quest it is. There's a it's like the new quest they just added, whatever it is. Get a flash drive or something. Find a flash drive on a scav. You just have to find it, I guess. Cool. So let us go ahead and try to handle the nav menu. And what I'm going to want to do... Don't need that. Just go in here. I might be able to just add a little padding to this. Because it's being passed down as a child, so... yeah, interesting. Interesting. So what I actually need to pad is this whole group, which is the nav menu. P2, PR, we'll double it. There we go. Go PR5, get a little further over. So theoretically, on large screen, cool. We're a little over now, right? We're not like overlapping. And then on a small screen, it still looks good there. That looks fine. Cool. So now we want to fix this, the responsiveness of the cards. Social cards. And the way we want to focus that is, let me not set a width. Let me just let it auto adjust. And that's a quick fix, but I want it all to be fairly even. That'd be my goal. You see how it's kind of not all, I don't hate it like that actually. But if I want them all to be the same width and still be responsive, wait, auto. Yeah, it's just gonna do the same thing. With min, isn't there like a calc? Something like that. That's something I'm gonna have to look up, because I don't know how to do that in Tailwind. I don't need a CSS file. So create a custom. Interesting. So if I go into globals, I'm assuming in here. So you can't count, you can't like do custom calculations in Tailwind without setting this, is my guess. I go back to the globals. What if I say +1 rem? Okay, so I feel like there should be a way to just do this within Tailwind, right? There's got to be a way, because like here's this grid, medium, because you're setting specific grids. To PR5. Oh, that's the wrong thing. I was like, what the hell? But maybe not. Maybe just creating like custom globals or just custom styles, I guess, is the way. 100 view width. All right, we want to calculate. The minimum should be 100. The width 100%. The minimum of it, right? Yeah. Okay. So that way. How does that look? Take the XR out, see how this looks. Yeah, it's not shabby. Let's do 2. I think that works just fine. Cool, that alone fixed most of our issues. Now my next issue that I was dealing with is when we're oh shit. Oh gosh, I'm pressing all the wrong buttons. Misinputs. Next problem is when we're full screen. Well, I thought it was like that. Full screen. Let's refresh the page. Oh, is it just working well now? Why is that working well now? Also, what up, Dirt? Dude, I pressed like 4 wrong things in 2 seconds. Did you see that? Did you see that? Literally, it was like click, click, click. I was like, oh shit, I'm breaking everything. All right, that's working well now. Yesterday, it was, this box was appearing really low. Why was it appearing so low yesterday? The zoom out. I don't want that to be able to happen. Yeah, okay. I see. That's what's happening. Because when the length changes, so like we zoom in and out, we click the button, or changing the sizing. So I don't need this to move it. Oh, really? Let's see what Linktree does. Let's see what they do. Yeah, so it does move a little bit. Look at it on the phone. They do scroll. But for them, it's stat. Okay, so how do I do that again? I don't want anything to resize, right? I don't want to be able to zoom in and out. I don't think Linktree allows that. Oh, no, it does. It does. But doing that messes that up. That's really my only issue. I guess it doesn't matter. If you want to zoom it out, you can zoom it out, right? You want to zoom it in, you zoom it in. You can zoom in all the way. Oh, if you zoom in 500%, it does break it. Question is, does it do that here? Yeah, okay. It breaks it here too. For the most part. You're also probably an absolute madman if you're using your monitor at 500%, right? But I don't know. I don't know what people do, right? I'm sure there's somebody out there who sits there like this, like face on the screen. It breaks above 300% is where it breaks. You got a sad notification from Nikita? What do you mean? Did something happen? You should be able to share links. I just made it so people can share links. Actually, I should remove that one share link video share thing. Oh my god. Weird. Let me check this out. Oh, Deus Ex. Oh, is he a big Deus Ex fan? I liked it. They were good games. That's funny. All right, let's just articulate my problem here, right? Okay, let's articulate it to ChatGPT and see if we can help. Okay. So, huh? It's not. Thanks. When I change the sizing of the page, so like, oh, I gotta go put clothes in the laundry. I promise glitch cat. Sent. The pop-up is way down. The header grows to adjust sizing. Let's brainstorm this problem using Next.js. So the header grows in height when the page is resized, which causes the pop-up to be positioned lower than expected. We need the pop-up to remain correctly responsive. Cool. We set it fixed relative to the header. This is just giving me a bunch of code. Okay, that makes sense, right? So we'll go to my header. Trigger, so this is the trigger, and then the content is this. And it's hard to test this because the only time this is an issue is if people are like resizing, right? We don't want that to happen. We don't want that resizing to happen. I want it to be absolute. Okay. And that is the div, and it... So it's being rendered right below this. What happens is this grows in size, right? As I shrink. As I shrink the page, the reason it's happening is this nav is growing in size. So as it grows in size, right? It's really hard to test that because when you go into this responsive mode, it does that. Which is strange. So I need this to just not move. I need its height to not move. And that is because I'm saying height auto. Right? Maybe not. How do I do that? Because it's the only time it's an issue, right? The only time it's an issue is when you're looking at the browser and you go, and instead of being at 100, right? Or even at 100, it works better when you're like 125, when you're like zoomed in, right? You zoom in a lot, it stays on the page. But even at 100, it's too low down. Because it's just attaching to the bottom of this, right? So why is that growing? That's okay. Yeah, so it is nested in the div. We set this position relative. We're adjusting that, and then this is absolute. Is it this top full? What is that doing? Hateful. Is it that? I don't want it to do that. That's so weird. I know, I need him to show up. I need somebody that's more experienced than me. Because like I know how to fix the issue, right? I need it, like I know the problem. I just don't know where it's causing it. Let me share some code. Okay. Question. Okay, I don't need all the code. I shouldn't have shared it all. Navigation menu content. Make absolute with this? Well, now that's just empty. That does not work. Okay. Make that relative. Oh, it's not scary. It's just linear algebra. It's matrices, right? You create these like giant grids of different possibilities, and then it sorts through all the possibilities and goes, well, based on the question you asked me, this is the outcome, right? It's just a really, like, it's no different than when you type something in and it completes your word, right? Like the concept of word completion. Dude, everything's collecting data to China, brother. That every single thing. You're on Discord, which is owned by Tencent, which is like, you know, I always say this, if the average person realized not only how much, but the intensity at which your data is collected and passed around and sold back to you, like the true level of how bad it is, there would be mass revolution in the street today. We take all our data and we sell it to China and they sell it back to us, and then we make products and then we have them make the it's like, you're not wrong, but it's just like, oh, it's scary. It is scary. Don't get me wrong. It's scary. But it's almost like there's just no, like, you can't escape that. Like, unless you're like a master programmer, a master hacker, and you can, you know, set up a custom VPNs and that you run and you regulate, and you're using different bridge connections on Tor and using reverse DNS proxy, whatever, by sending out all your requests in a pool of millions of other requests and, you know, mixing them up. And it's just like, unfortunately, there's just no escaping it. There's no escaping it. It is very sad. It is scary. You're not wrong. It is scary, but I mean, your phone listens to you. It's listening to us right now. My phone is just picking up everything we're saying and just dark world. Dark world. Granted, if you want to download and run these large language models on your own hardware, you can do that. So that way your data is not being sent out. I mean, they could figure a way to get it, you know, leaked out, but you could potentially build an offline rig, get all these files. yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. Everything listens. It's crazy. It's scary. And it's all sold to China. I'm sorry, but everything is sold to China. It's dark, but it's that's the way the cookie crumbles, right? I really don't like that it does that, because I don't know how to fix this. It's something to do with this. I need this not to grow. What if I make that fixed? Oh, are we on to something here? It's always the same model? Do you have a way to look that up? Is there like a site that like tracks satellites? I would love to see that. That'd be crazy. The only thing is, now that it's fixed, that's fine. But we need to adjust everything else a little bit. Right? Oh, for Starlink too. That's crazy. It's a world we live in. Oh, that's crazy, dude. Yeah. I know. Something that I've come to learn being in tech for the past many years now, we are so much more technologically advanced than the average person even realizes. Like, we can do things like you know, truth is always stranger than fiction, right? Like it's the stuff we can do is mind-boggling. The fact that we were able to like come up with like lasers and like capacitors and shit is like, that's why people believe in aliens gave us like just our technology, because we went from like, you know, combustion engine and like giant analog gears and shifters and, you know, basic analog logic, and then like post World War II, it was like fucking lasers and capacitors, and it's like just like the next level that, and it's, and we do take it for granted. We, you know, like this thing, this piece of technology in our phone here that we're sitting on, it's never in current recorded human history have we ever seen something like that, and it's just wild to me. I think that's why I just got so into tech, is I was just like, it just kind of blew my mind, you know, like the more I kept learning, I was like, holy shit, we can do that? Did it hurt you? It's moving. It's like, who's talking about us? Move 20 degrees. Let's see this. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna point out where I'm at exactly, but I'm in this state here, obviously, of Maryland. GPS 10, huh? It's coming over me. Coming over me. It's crazy to think. And these are the ones that are active, right? Like, I watched some video once that was like, there's like all these broken down satellites, just like space debris. Why is that? Like, what? Oh, because I clicked on it or something. Oh, okay. I was like, why is there a marker on that one? I was like, oh gosh. I think sticky will work better, actually. No, it has to be fixed. And then that means all the rest of this, right? All of this needs to go. Down. The actual page. That's a little better. Just add a little margin to the top. And then this card. How does it work on phone now? It's okay. I've learned if it works on the iPhone XR, you're probably pretty good. Although the Pixel 7 is weird sometimes too. I've had weird issues with the Pixel 7. Oh, I'm sure, yeah. I don't live near it, but I'm within a couple hours of this place called Mount Weather. And apparently it's like known about, but it's like there is like a huge well-known government bunker that's like, if like the world ends, there's like nukes or something that goes off. That's where like they have, it was something like 200 years of power and food and supplies down there. It's like a literal vault, right? That's crazy to think that Japan has that many. Oh my god. But there's like a vault there, and if like the world ends, all of the world leaders will go down there and they could literally like last for like generations. And then like apparently there's like all these conspiracies about how there's like a backup government already down there and like all sorts of crazy shit. But Mount Weather exists. I've driven, because there's a cool hiking trail not too far from it, so I've been near it. I've seen the gates and the crazy cars with guys and guns driving by. I've seen it. I've seen that. Really? You can buy one there? I had a family member who was a firefighter. I got called out there once to go, he had to do testing on some fire alarm system, right? And they were apparently, they went through everything, took his phone, his camera, like it was nuts. Like he said he had never gone through more security in his life. And I remember just hearing that story and being like, that's nuts. That's crazy, dude. That's why I love Fallout so much, is it's like so accurate. It's like it's like exactly what's gonna happen when the world ends, nukes. Like actually what's gonna happen. All right, well, we fixed one issue. So there's always another little problem that shows up. I don't know how much I like that this goes up like that, you know? What am I missing? I guess the body itself. No? Let me see how to remove oh my god. Page. Let's see what it looks like just by hiding the scroll bar. If that works. Does not work. Okay, just kidding. Well, if you find anything crazy, post it. If you see anything wild out there. Should already be loading in. The lights are off. Hang on one second. I can turn things down. One sec. I'll be right back. Okay. One day I will be successful enough to have my own office. Not just a corner of the room. Okay, just... I'll just create a no scroll bar class, throw it in globals. No. No. We'll throw this in. Then we'll throw no scroll bar from here. We'll see if that works. Why doesn't it work? I don't like that. Is it just because it's Next.js or something I'm not understanding? There's something... I don't know. We'll just try it. 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 We'll just try with Tailwind that's not allowing that to work. It's not working. It's not working. Body name. Oh, because I'm not adding it to the body itself. Is that what it is? Let me see. I wonder if I can just add it here. Just to the HTML. Yeah. Okay, that doesn't prevent the scrolling. It just gets rid of the scroll bar. You bastard. Easily. That's okay, yeah. We don't need to scroll. Let's just create a single page, right? Let's just... Oh, except that doesn't work. Overflow. I do. I kind of like not having the scroll bar. It's kind of fun. Although that will mess some people up. They're going to be sad. That's definitely useful at certain times, though. It's weird how it changes so much. I don't want that gap. So what if I got rid of whatever gap is there? On that, right? And instead, on each of these cards, here, I add padding bottom. Oh no. Will gap work? No. It's not to the card. I want to add it to that. Strange. There's got to be a way to do this. Hydrate. All right, hang on. I wonder if there's like copyright-free movies and TV shows out there, you know? Just to like sit here and like watch something. It'd be kind of fun. Let's just experiment real quick. There are quick div in here, right? There we go. Yeah, let's throw a div around it. That should do. Go back here. I like that. I don't mind that it actually goes underneath that little top header part. It's not too big of a deal. It just kind of keeps it there. It's the same thing. This, you press this, it's all of this. This has like a contact and donate in it. But this is all the same as what you see down here. Put it sideways. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it should it go away? Like, I don't know. I kind of like that it stays up top and it goes over it all. You can always click whatever. But do we not like that? I just don't know. I think it's fine for now. All right, let me go ahead and save this before I forget. Yes. Huh? Oh, geez. Why isn't it? I don't remember my password off the top of my head. Gotta be this, right? Yeah, as I say, that shouldn't work. Why aren't I authenticated? Huh? Huh? Ah. Um. Why is it? I was just doing this the other day. What the hell? I'm just trying to save. I can't even save. Let's doesn't make any sense. So it's not authentic. Okay, it just, I think that was just something weird. I don't know what just happened there. Oh yeah, what'd you find in orbit, brother? What'd you find out there? Just a lot of garbo. Okay. I need ideas. Mainstream. This is pretty much done, right? It's nothing crazy. I didn't want it to be anything crazy. This is my first time using this framework called Next, so I just kind of, this is just meant to get me comfy with it, start getting me comfy with it. But I want to add like a little personal flair, you know, something that Linktree doesn't do. They have like advanced analytics and stuff, but I'm not gonna set. That's gonna take me a while. Yeah, it did update. Custom sound. So like when you click something, it'll go like bah, or, you know, like it'll make like a little beep sound or something, or a little whatever sound. Like, you know, Twitter will have like a little bird chirp when you click it or something. That's kind of smart. Okay, okay. Not shabby. Let me... I want to see if the deployment worked for this. Looks like it did. Cool. Ooh. Kind of funny that it spreads out so much. Why? The padding on the bottom of that? Is that not it? Why is there so much space there? It's kind of weird that it creates these gaps. Why has it done that? I like that. None of that works there. Fair enough. I'm trying to figure out why is the spacing. It's hard to test that. It's something to do with responsiveness of Tailwind that I'm not understanding. Can I redo it? Something to do with the height. It's so annoying that it doesn't let me. How do I do that? How do I preserve? Because I can shrink it. Okay, there we go. So this is adding all that purple space. I don't need it to add all that purple space, which is the, is that the margin? No, what's the purple? I forget. There it is. It's adding. If I do like height. What is adding that? The responsiveness. Oh, that's interesting. Still adding bottom spacing. The top is fine. It's adding this bottom spacing. I'm trying to figure out where and why. that not it? They're coming from the card itself? Is that what it is? It's got to be coming from the card, right? That's all I can think. Not fill roll. What? Oh my gosh. That helps a little bit. But why doesn't it update here? Is that not it? It's gotta be. Is it from the card itself? Oh, center. Is it the whole header? Maybe it's just, is it the header itself? It's not. Nothing's updating. Do I need to rerun this? Is that what it is? Let's try. Let me see. Do that. We have the 50% again. Okay. Okay, it was something wasn't okay. All right. That's not completely crazy. Pokemon Go. No, I used to play Pokemon Go when it like first came out, and I played a good bit, and then kind of just stopped. I've thought about getting back into it just to kind of get me out in the world more and get me moving. There we go. There we go. We're on to something here. It's coming from the page layout, is what it is. We'll reset here. It looks fine at 100%, but I know some people have different sizings. Oh, you have to make a task to make a friend. Let me see if I have it downloaded. I don't know. Let me check. Oh, I do have it downloaded. Now, am I signed in? I don't know. Let's see. We're throwing it on right now. Niantic. I literally haven't opened this app in who knows how long. I'm actually shocked I still have it downloaded. Welcome back, it says. Oh, shit. Oh my god, it wants me to do so much. I think I'm logged in, brother. Hang on. Hang on. Oh god, I don't know what I clicked. Oh, I'm hatching an egg right now. It's a Piplup. Or Lily Pup. Just kidding. How do I add you as a friend? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Alright, I'm posting my friend code. Get crazy with it. My name's Schmuffins on here, apparently. 3378. Damn, dude. I haven't pulled this up in forever. See, now I'm gonna start playing it again. I remember. I'm level 28. Is that high? Oh, there's like balloons? There's like weird. How do I see my Pokemon? I'm sure you can see them once you get there. There you go. A 2700 Rhydon. That's my strongest, apparently. Oh, I have a shiny Scizor. That's cool. I didn't know I had that. Do I have other shinies? Can you just like type shiny? Oh, I have 10 shinies, brother. Oh, dude, I have a shiny Steelix. All right. You're gonna get me into Pokemon Go again, brother. Dude, I have a shiny Steelix. What the hell? You can't say I don't. Okay, so hang on. Let me accept it. Oh, dude, you're gonna get me playing Pokemon again. Except I live in the middle of nowhere. So there's like nothing around me to raid. Like there's no like gyms or anything. Like I have to drive. I bet there's something. There's a little it's like a little observatorium thing. Oh, I have to make a Niantic ID? Okay, we're gonna be Squib. That already exists. Okay, well. Squib Channel 69. Alright. That exists too? Who the fuck is up? Alright, I accepted it. I'm kind of curious. Can I zoom out on my map or no? Is that like a thing? Yeah, there's nothing near me. I mean, there's Pokemon showing up. There's no zooming in, huh? Yeah, I mean, I live in the sticks, so it doesn't shock me. You sent me a gift? Oh, you send the gifts of different areas. That's kind of fun. I forgot about that. Oh. I do go walk around town sometimes. I should start doing this when I walk around town. Can I send you a gift? How do I do that? Send gift? Oh, gosh. Oh, dude, this is where I used to live. What am I saying? Oh, here we go. I sent you this one. I can add stickers? Ooh. Alright, I sent you a gift, brother. Giant turtle. Okay, let me get learned at it here. We're getting there, right? This is looking a little better. Even when you zoom in all the way, it doesn't cover it up. Obviously, once again, if you're using your screen at 500%, that's on you. You're probably gonna break most websites. Actually, now that I think about it, like 500% on here is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not. Oh, but I need to change. I wonder if I can. Because it's fixed. Let me ask ChatGPT about this one. And I'm so rusty, it's crazy. Right. Let's just go with what it says. Let's give it, let's see. Oh no, that is, nope. But it said with full, with screen, max width, min screen. What the hell? Max width. Let's just see what that does. Close. I mean, that doesn't really matter too much. It's just gonna, you know, bug me incessantly. I am definitely blind. Page. And a little more padding. It's a little cleaner. Hey, stop it. We're looking okay. Nice, slowly. And that goes away. Goes behind, that's fine. Goes all the way to the top. It's not a big deal. Zoom in. Okay, that's all right. You can handle that. Once you get above 400%, you're gonna lose access to these. This is all gonna be zoomed in. Once again, that shouldn't matter. Yeah, a little bit of progress here. Okay. So we think sounds, when you click it, make a little sound, huh? That's kind of what we're thinking. Let me heat up some more coffee water. Hang on. Alright, we got water boiling. Or starting to boil. Cool. It's fairly decent. I think I just nitpick too much, right? Like, do modern devs, are we planning for people to be using like zoomed in like that? Like, is that, you know? What would happen if I make this whole thing fixed? Just want to see. And then I zoom. Okay, yeah. That's fair. I do extra bold. Is that what it was? Oh, I don't remember. Oh, it's font. Is that what it is? Oh gosh. Oh, hang on. That's what I need. Text, relative sizing, font, extra bold. Is that not what I just did? So it's not. Okay. I was right. It is font extra bold. None of that's adjusting. Why? Okay. So in the social icon, can I just pass this down like this? I wonder if that works. And now text. I thought I could pass it straight down, but nope. And I can't add it to that directly. Because it's coming from this social icon thing. So I need to go, let's see. I just want to make it a little bigger and bolder. That's all I want to do. Yes. Oh, I can pass down a style attribute. Guess not. What's this class name? Do I need to like declare a class name? I just want to see if I can adjust it. What the hell? Okay, that's not working there. Okay, so I need to grab the P tag that's in the social icon. And it says you can pass down a style attribute. That's why I'm confused. Why is that the case, right? What am I missing here? It says I can pass it down, but it's not. It has the style props. Override style properties pass to the rendered anchor tag. Oh, pass to the anchor tag. Pass to this, not the text. The text is coming from the card description. Okay. I'm stupid. That's why. Now you just text center. Or text L. Make it a little brighter. Okay. Yeah, I just want it a little bigger. Excel. It stays within. Okay. I like that. I would like be a little bolder. Yeah, that looks a little better, right? Right? That looks a little better. Yeah, it stands out, a little easier to read. Cool, cool, cool. So the card description, I'm just dumb there with that. Okay, cool, cool. That's absolutely fine. Maybe I want to add my own font style, right? So I probably want to do that eventually. Pixel font style. Let's see. Pixel font. So the font is going to be from the layout, I believe. Gotcha. So I need to search. Google Fonts. Silk Screen. Um, what's the subset? This is regular. Why doesn't that work? Yeah, dude, I like all the pixel tests. Hang on. But misunderstanding. Implement. Like done already with enter. Oh, it's still Latin? You just can't have it twice, is that what it is? Ah. we just not add that? Something. Expects at least one argument. I'm kind of confused. One's both? All right, that's how you do it. I like that. What you think about this one, brother, if you're still around? Yeah, I like that. That's a little smoother. All right, instead of using this, well, I just want the icon. So I think I accidentally erased my full resolution stamp for that. So I need to, let me see. Let me look real quick. Because that one's all blurry, the one I have, because it's meant for emotes. All right, let's just let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do Paint 3D. New. We're gonna go into where's that? Emotes. Oh no, I lied. I swear I did this before. Messed up. Where the hell is it? Panel text? Here it is. Magic select. Beautiful. And we need to open up a new paint. Paste it on. Make the canvas transparent. And save. Squib coin sticker. And then we need to add the squib coin sticker into our public folder. And now we'll go back to our page, wherever, the squib card, the actual squib title card. And I'll just copy the relative path. And boom. Easy peasy. Do another save here. Get commits. So sticker. Let's give it a minute. Let's give it a minute and see if it should be updating. I'm gonna save this. I like this. I like this. That font is really fun. Silk screen. All right, let's it should update this soon. It should auto update. Yep, building right now. Yep. Cool. We'll give it a minute. We'll give it a minute. And yeah, well, I guess we need to look for noises. Okay, do you think, Dimitri, should I have individual noises for each click? Or just one little, like, fun noise? Each click different? Okay. You're gonna make me work. I see how it is. Okay, cool. Let me just let this update first. Beautiful, it's updated. You guys want to check it out? You can check it out. We'll do the post. Maybe I'll make the font just ever so slightly smaller. That way I don't have to deal with that. It all works. You clicked it. Cool. Let me see. Oh, it's because I'm stupid. Oh. I'm dumb. Forgot I turned the server off. Cool. Do we like large or extra large? There we go. That's smoother. There we go. iPad mini. Cool. It looks good on pretty much everything. I like that. I like that. It's almost more bold when you shrink the text. I kind of want it a little more bold. Did I have... I had a cheat sheet up somewhere. feel like sometimes it stops updating. Like semi-bold. Is that the most bold I can get it? I want it to pop out a little bit more. Okay. It has black. That's not changing anything. That's just bigger. It's not bolder. Maybe bigger's fine enough. I think I can do... Wait, no. I'll just make it white. There you go. I like that. Go back to XL, make it all white instead of that like opaque color. There we go. I like how that's looking. I like how that's looking. That looks so cool. I love this font. This is super cool. Okay. I like how that looks. So we need some sort of audio sound. Audio bits free, no copyright, socials. Okay, hang on. Let's see. Let me turn off YouTube over here. Let's play around with a couple sounds. Let's see what, let's just see what we like. You guys should hear these. No. Oh gosh. Oops. Message notification. I don't like any of these. I think he's gonna trip somebody out. You're like, what the hell? Alert sounds. Oh, I kind of like the level up. I kind of like these. Kind of like that one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get separate sounds for each one that makes sense. You know? That's interesting.
I'm lurking over here. Can't you see I'm lurking?
Right, just a beep sound. Oh, it's kind of fun, that one. Bing. I kind of like that. It's funny. That's simple and subtle, right? Oh, that's cool too. I don't know. What are we thinking? Let me zoom in. You guys can read it better. I kind of like that. I like this game start, and then there was the oh, I don't remember what was named. I should have like saved it or something. That first one that I liked, and then like this. Oh, this is cool too. I could grab. Okay, what if I grabbed right a couple random ones, grab like 3 or 4, and whenever you click it, it's a random sound. It's just one of the few. It just randomly plays it, right? That might be something. What? I have a sounds folder. Oh, I have a sounds folder. Oh no. What's in there? Oh, I have. That's funny. Okay, just kidding. I need to re-download. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a couple and we'll kind of play with it. It feels like a little too short. Ooh, that fits the vibe. That fits the vibe. Oh, hang on. Hang on. That's a good one. Hmm. Ooh. Dude, I could do this for hours. You have no clue. I could just sit here. My neurodivergent brain could sit here and just be like, oh, beeps and boops and bips and bops. Too long. What is up? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll grab a couple different like 8-bit sounding ones, like pixel sounding ones, and it'll just play a random one. How about that? I think I kind of like that. kind of fun too. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. Oh, that's like the Zelda one. We'll do that one too. All right, we want one more and I'll stop. I'll stop. I'm gonna go crazy actually. Cool. So now I don't know. I have to do a little research here. Next.js, I want to load in audio sounds and play them on the couetilc of a card. Obviously import, put them in public. Create a sound. So audio is built in. So there's a built-in audio object, right? Okay. Now we ask, and the audio object is built in for use with React next. Yes. Cool. Built into the modern web browsers. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's easy then. Okay. So we will create a new folder called sounds and let us get our sounds. We'll grab these 8-bit sounds. We'll ignore that one. That one's doesn't. I like it. That one's too long. That's all right. Good. I gotta like replay them. Coin. I kind of like these 8-bit ones here, so let's. '90s game UI. Let us power rename. How does this work? I don't remember how this works. Audio. Is that how you do it? Start on 1. Why did it add the text after? I don't like that. Huh? Huh? That's weird. It's adding that. Isn't that how that works? Ah, whatever, dude. So, man. We'll throw the negative beeps in too. I like that one. Cool. Then we want to, in this social card, right off, we want to create, I can create it up here. Const bit sounds Object. Wow. I don't know how to. I'm not good with TypeScript. Just create it. I'll just do an array. I don't need an object. What am I doing? An array referencing all of these. That should work. I don't think I need all that. I think I can just do that. All right. Let's do that at the end, and then third one, 3, 4. 5. 7. Save all those. I shouldn't. We might have to mess with it a little bit, but for now, we'll delete those. We have all of our sounds. And then we're going to want a function that says, so function play sounds. We'll make it usable. That's fine. I don't need to do that yet. I can abstract later and make it better. Oh, I forgot I set this up. So play sound equals. So we want to grab the audio. So we'll create a new audio that's equal to bit sounds dot how do you, oh god, how do you do a random one? Into math for, oh yeah, this thing. Grab a random index. We'll throw that in, random index. Let's say bit sounds random index, and then audio dot play, and then down here we'll want to say where do I want to put this? It's the whole card, right? Oh, it's specifically the button. I'll do that for now. I might end up fixing that, but we'll say card title on click equals play sound. Right? Nope. I have my audio on. Oh, sorry, my B. I'm gonna do that with the sounds. Sounds. That's the way I should do it anyways. Play sound. It sounds. Does this need to be a callback? Like that? We're gaming. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, it's grabbing the same one over and over. Okay, there, I was just unlucky. All right. So now it will be a string, actually. String from an array. I think it's complete. I'm happy. Well, so probably not gonna do this tonight. I do want to game some, but what I was thinking is now, right? I need to restructure it a little bit, but set it up in a way that if somebody else wants one of these channels, right? You can fill in the text for each one. And then you can even throw in your own audio sounds if you want. And give me your icon and tell me like which socials you want. And then I could recreate it pretty simply. Just by plugging and playing. That would be the goal. Give you a shout out there, Dimitri, in the we'll do a read me too later. I don't care about that right now. Yes. No, you gave me the idea. That's my problem, right? I can figure stuff out eventually, but I'm not good at coming up with like what to do, like what to figure out, you know? Math 4, math random. It's funny, I've used this many times actually. I think there's a simpler way to do this too. I think there actually is. Well, perfect. We're the perfect team then. Hooray. Cool. Let's make sure it deploys. Yep. Maybe add like a few more sounds so it gets a little more diverse. I could set up like a if last sound or like don't play the last sound it play, but well, it's fine. It's whatever. Cool. All right, what did we say? We play some video games now. Let me get a little post. Responsive. That's awesome. I'm content. I'm happy. Oh, I'm sure they're lurking somewhere. They're out there in the world. Let's see who's in there. Oh, I know Dirt's lurking. I see him lurking. He's probably on labs right now.